Good morning and welcome to another money math lesson. This is for groups A and B. So here are the things you're going to need. You're going to need your bag of coins that is in your learning kit, your rainbow tiles or another counting pieces, a piece of paper, and a pencil. So here's the first thing you're going to do. We are just focusing on pennies, nickels, dimes, and quarters with this one, okay? So you're going to take out of your bag, penny, nickel, dime, and quarter. And you're going to show how much they're worth with your tiles. So a penny is worth one tile, okay? A nickel is worth 5 tiles, so one row of 5, okay? Then you're going to make 10. You're going to do it with 2 rows of 5. We're really learning to skip count by 5s in this one, okay? So now you have 1 tile for penny, 5 tiles for nickel, 10 piles for dime, and finally you're going to make 5 piles of 5, which is 25 for the quarter. Okay? So this may be one lesson, one activity, okay? Or you can continue on with the lesson and do another step. But for now, you're just showing what each one is worth. There's 3 groups of 5. Here are 4 groups of 5. And finally, 5 groups of 5. All right, so there you go. Now you can see that there's 1 penny's worth 1 cent, a nickel is worth 5 cents, a dime is worth 10 cents, and a quarter is worth 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 cents. All right, good job. Now the next thing you're going to do is you're going to sort your coins. We're still just working with pennies, nickels, dimes, and quarters. So you're going to put all your pennies in one group, all your nickels in another group. I'm just taking out a small handful now. That's all I'm going to need to show you this. I'm not using these. We're not using half dollars. We're just using pennies, nickels, dimes, and quarters. And this is another step in your lesson. This could be just one lesson, depending on how long it takes your student to do this. This could be one new activity that you just do, or you can go on to the next step. So now I've sorted by pennies, nickels, dimes, and quarters. Here's the next thing I'm going to do. You're taking your pencil and your paper, and I'm going to show you a trick. So here's what we're going to do. You're going to make a circle, and this is going to be your penny. And for a penny, you're just going to put a 1 right in the middle for penny. For a nickel, you're going to put 1 dot. A dot is equal to 5 cents. Nickel has 1 dot. Dime has 2 dots, 5, 10. And quarter has 5 dots, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Okay? And now that you've done that, you are going to find out how much your coins are worth. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Don't forget one-to-one correspondence. You need to remove the one you've counted from the group so you don't get mixed up. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm going to make 8 pennies. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. And each one is worth 1. So I'm just going to put a 1 for my pennies. Just like this. Now for my my nickels, I have 4. So let's make our nickels. Each one is worth 5 cents. So 1 dot, 2, 3, 4. Okay? And now we're counting just by 5s because a nickel is worth 5. So 5, 10, 15, 20. So that's worth 20 cents. You see that? Dimes are worth 10 cents. 5, 10. So let's count our dimes now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 dimes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 dimes. And remember, your dimes have 2 dots each because they're worth 5, 10 cents. So 2 dots inside. Each dot is worth 5. So now you can count this way. You have your dimes, 8 dimes, and you're counting by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80. 80 cents worth of nickels. And quarters are worth 25. Counting by 5s, remember? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. How many quarters do I have? I have 4. So I'm going to make my quarters. Each quarter has 5 dots, which are worth 5 cents each. And then I can count by 5s again to find out how much 4 quarters is worth. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, $1. That's worth 100 cents, which is the same as $1. All right, so there's a new trick for you to be able to count your coins called Touch Math Money. All right, so good luck. We'll see you next time.